Hello everyone. So very quickly in this video I'll be sharing with you how to build your collagen and elastin levels so fast to have your skin looking so beautiful and youthful, like half your age, plus you will live so healthy longer with utmost health. Like this is what I have for breakfast, smoothies like this, either for fat burning or to build my collagen levels. So I'm carrying this bottle to work. This is what I have for breakfast other than the unhealthy breakfast. So this is a very healthy breakfast alternative to double up, to load your system up with nutrients plus boost collagen production for you to have a very beautiful and ageless skin. So in order to come up with this recipe, this is a very powerful age fighting ingredient. Yes, red grapes, most especially the back of the red grapes. So you want to wash thoroughly because you don't want to put any dirt in your system. So after you get to wash with water and vinegar, this is very good. It contains resveratrol, which is very good at protecting your skin cells from damaging. It helps with longevity. Do a little bit of research about resveratrol. You can find them in grapes, berries. Very good at promoting that youthfulness and agelessness to your skin, plus promoting good health and longevity, long life, which is very important. Do a little bit of research. Resveratrol, this is very good. This is what is used to make red wine, which is very healthy for the heart. So you want to wash. So if you saw, I'm using water and vinegar, and I'll still rinse at the tap. I just want to really show you how I take time to wash, so you don't put in any possible whatever, even though I bought organic, but you don't want to take chances. Wash thoroughly with water and vinegar, and just a handful is fine. So this is a handful of grapes. The second ingredient I'll be adding will be 1 apple. Yes, these red apples are loaded with antioxidants, one of the richest source of antioxidant to fight free radical damage, causing that premature aging on the skin, not beautiful looking skin. Plus this is very alkalizing to form a disease fighting barrier in your system, to leave your system very clean, active. Most especially your organs like your liver loves some apple. So this is 1 apple sliced into good sizes. Sorry about that. Sliced into good sizes. And yeah, the next thing I'll be adding is a rich source of vitamin C, which is equally very filling. Remember, I have this as breakfast, so I always add pineapples because this will make it very filling. Plus, not just that vitamin C in pineapple plus the bromelain in the middle of the pineapple is very wonderful at boosting your metabolism. If you watch my live sessions, I'll tell you starting your day with a metabolism booster like pineapple is very good. That way you easily break down food you eat so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Plus this is so nourishing, good at refreshing your cells. Like your skin will look so rejuvenated and beautiful eating pineapples. The vitamin C, like this is so nutrient dense, plus it tastes so good. Ananas, it tastes so good. Yeah, so this is half a pineapple, peel and just slice up into some little sizes that you can easily get it to not really fill up your blender. Like that is why you see me slicing in some tiny little sizes. So yeah, very nutrient dense, not just vitamin C but so many other vitamins to freshen up your skin. You need vitamin C for that fresh, ageless glow to your skin, and you get lots of it in here. Yeah, so the next thing I'll be adding will be mango, but this is optional. If you can't lay your hands on mangoes, that is fine. We got a lot of vitamin C, we got antioxidants. I want some vitamin E from this mango. So mangoes are loaded. They have rich amounts of vitamin E, which helps to promote collagen production as well, and elastin to maintain that firm skin that looks so beautiful without you experiencing that sagging, premature aging. Like I always say, if you are from 25 and above, if you want to be proactive, start from your early 20s. Start consuming smoothies like this to help you build collagen, because as you age, you no longer make collagen as you were much younger. You need to physically boost that collagen production, otherwise you age so fast. If you want to have a beautiful looking skin while aging, go for this recipe. This is bomb. This is really good, plus it is very nourishing and nutrient dense. I'll be adding one lemon in here just to bring down the sweetness a little bit, you know. Even though all of these fruits are very healthy, I just want to bring in a little bit of lemon just to make it, yeah, you know. Plus lime, sorry, limes are very, they have those good acids to help me easily break down fats in my system, and they are loaded with vitamin C. Like, I just want to bring down a little bit of the sugars from these fruits with the lime. So this is carefully put together. Plus limes are rich in vitamin C, which you need for that fresh glow to your skin, that to boost collagen production. Plus vitamin C is a form of antioxidant to help you protect your skin from free radical damage during the day. So this is it. You want to put your ingredients in your blender. That is the one mango, handful of grapes, one apple, and half a pineapple. And after you add your pineapple, you want to add the juice from the one lime. So this is for breakfast. You can have it for 2 days. Breakfast this morning and the next morning if you are just alone, or you can have it breakfast and dinner, or if you are two in the house, you can have 1 cup and share the other with your partner. Trust me, invest on this and you will age and not feel like you are aging. Skin will look so plump, youthful. Like when you're blending, you will see the particles from the peel, from the grapes, the peel, the back. Don't bother. That is the secret. That is where that resveratrol is. You don't want to peel the grapes. Just leave the peels in there. That is a secret, I'm telling you today. The peel of the grapes, that is the secret. So just blend. Don't bother about the red peels you see in there. Have your smoothie, enjoy. So as I mentioned earlier, this bottle is for work. I'm having this for breakfast. The next morning I'm rushing to work because this is holiday. Tomorrow I'm going to work with the next bottle. But if you are two now at home, or your partner is interested, you share with your friend. But I do, like, this is for me. I love this. Like, I'm stingy with recipes like this, and to nourish my body with and build that collagen. This is really to build collagen levels. They are smoothies for different reasons. So this is kind of like a treatment, like a treat. You want to treat your body, build that collagen, and have it looking so beautiful and ageless. Yeah, so if you see, this is me live and direct. You're seeing my skin has improved so much over time. Like, I used to not really have this plump radiance to my skin like before, but after working on my skin over time, it keeps improving and getting better. So you want to focus on your skin, treat your skin, not load up on nutrients like this, foods that will boost collagen production and leave your skin looking so youthful and ageless. And trust me, you will love your skin. You will age and feel so proud of yourself, and this increases your self-esteem, because trust me, when your skin starts aging, it gives you that complex. You don't really feel like you have a certain kind of complex, whereas if you treat yourself, it increases your self-esteem. Yeah, so share these videos with your families and friends so we can stay looking good and youthful. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time. Thank you for your time, and bye.